Dear cadets, today in this part we'll discuss about the three parts of first chapter: organization, the staff and training of NCC.
The NCC is a voluntary organization which is administered through the Ministry of Defence. The Defence Minister is overall in charge and responsible to the Government of India for efficient functioning of the NCC and other matters. The headquarters is situated in New Delhi, headed by an officer of the rank of Lieutenant General. There are 17 directorates pan-India covering all 28 states and 8 union territories. The NCC at state level is divided into 17 directorates in which each state or group of states forms a directorate. The smaller states and union territories are attached with directorates of the bigger states. The directorates are further subdivided into groups which varies according to the size of the state. In all, there are 99 group headquarters in the country. Each directorate is under the command of an officer equivalent to the rank of brigadier or its equivalent from the other two services. Directorate have up to 14 group headquarters in the state. Each group is headed by officer of the rank of brigadier, colonel or equivalent, known as group commander. Each NCC group headquarter controls 5 to 7 units, battalions commanded by colonel, lieutenant colonel or equivalent. There are 2 training academies: Officers Training Academy Gwalior for women and Kamti for men, where professors and teachers from the colleges and schools are trained to impart training to cadets as associate NCC officers ANOs. NCC is staffed by the following: regular officers drawn from the 3 services, whole-time lady officers WTLO from NCC, associate NCC officers ANOs who are professors and teachers, girl cadet instructors GCI from NCC, permanent instructional PI staff from Army, Navy and Air Force, civilian gliding instructors and ship modeling instructors, and civilian staff. Good and organized training is an important part of NCC and hence it is given due importance. The Corps has achieved success through its well-regulated system of rigorous training which includes basic, advanced and specialized training with more stress of training camps. Training activities of NCC can be broadly divided as under: number 1, institutional training, training organized in schools and colleges as parades; camp training, formal training organized as camps of 10 to 12 days duration; attachment training, formal training organized by attachment with Army, Naval, Air Force units or with officer training academies like Indian Military Academy IMA and Officers Training Academy OTA. Naval wing activities, seamanship, navigation, communication and other associated naval subjects are taught to cadets. Swimming, scuba diving and windsurfing are other interesting activities to which the cadets are exposed to. Air wing activities, airmanship, aero modeling, navigation, airframes, aero engines and microlight flying are taught to cadets. Remount and veterinary activities. This activity is primarily meant for the horsemanship and riding. Dear cadets, next topic we are going to discuss is incentive to cadets. Apart from training and preparing the youth for future challenges in NCC, cadets are given various benefits in terms of job opportunities, scholarships and financial aid in the time of any tragedy while doing any NCC related activities. These incentives are announced from time to time both by central and state governments. These incentives are in the field of employment as well as academics and personal, including medals, trophies, cash awards, etc. For the best incentive being the vacancy reserved for C certificate holder cadets for commission as officer in the armed forces. The following vacancies are reserved by each services as officers. Army, 100 seats per year at OTA for men and 10% for women. Navy 6 seats per course. Air Force 10% vacancies in all courses. Financial aid and relief to cadets is provided by Cadet Welfare Society to the cadets in case of any injury or to the next to kin in case of any fatality during NCC related activities. Preference is given by various state governments to B and C certificate holders for recruitment in following departments: Police Services, Transport Department, Forest Department, Excise Department. Preference to the girl cadets as nurses, receptionists and telephone operators. Many educational institutes have allotted special quota to the certificate holders from NCC. Preference is given in following fields: degree and diploma courses, LLB courses, government polytechnic and engineering colleges and medical courses.
If you are looking to acquire in-depth of NCC knowledge, stay connected with Gyatva. For those interested in exercises or question answers, you can download our app Gyatva from Play Store. If you prefer studying from books, our senior and junior wing books are available in the market and Amazon also. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.